Sponge ball routines appear in the repertoires of nearly every working close-up magician, and for good reason. They're visual, interactive, devastatingly effective, and of course, the most important reason of all, the magic happens in their hands.
Turn your hand over, slowly open your hand, take a look, ladies and gentlemen.
This is a masterclass in sponge ball magic. The routines, sleights, subtleties, and the professional strategies come straight from the masters in sponge ball magic. You'll study legendary material from the masters themselves with practical, worker-tested routines from Daryl.
Ladies and gentlemen, number one. I have number two. They changed places. Thank you.
Frank Garcia.
Remember that one remains here, two beneath the bowl. Placing the last ball, go, and there are the three.
And the man who invented sponge balls, the great Albert Gushman.
Slowly, because you've got three.
For those looking beyond traditional close-up settings, you'll also find completely different approaches, including Johnny Thompson's handling on Roy Benson's classic ball routine. And Michael Finney's hilarious routine designed to play big, even for larger audiences.
If I show you two balls in the right hand and one watch in the left hand, each watch is
You'll also explore inventive twists and presentations, plus unforgettable finales and a show-stopping ending from Eugene Berger.
Oh my God!
Holy Whether you're building your first sponge ball routine or refining a polished professional set, this collection gives you the tools to elevate your magic immediately. This is a masterclass in one of magic's most powerful close-up effects. MMS welcomes you to the world's greatest sponge ball magic set.